Oke, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today, guys? Good. So, at this occasion, I want a presentation about future career or my future plan. So, but before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Elam Budi Sira. I am was 9th graders at ADN Boarding School. Okay, so just we continue. Okay, firstly, I want for the high school, I want to continue in ADN Boarding School again. Why? Firstly, it's because the stadium general. If I was going outside, maybe goes to swasta school, yeah, in the outside, my stadium general will be not good because in here the stadium general not too focused. So maybe when I start the school or senior high school at outside, my stadium general report will be not good. So the second one is I want to continue my IT journey. So at IT Middle School, I've been 3 years in here. So that is such as a good journey for a student as IT student. So I would like to continue in IT Middle School. And then the curriculum in IT at IT Boarding School is good. The English is good too, and the dunia it's Manhaj Salaf. And the major that I want to take is RPL. Why? Because actually before I want to take the technology major or about networking, but I after I thinking again, uh, I want to choose RPL because it's more easier and yeah, that's why. So the second one is about the university. I want to choose. I have three options for my university, two in Indonesia and one in outside. So in Indonesia, the first one is ITB. Why ITB? Because the location was in Bandung, that is uh, my favorite city because the location was good, the culiner and much more that is good. And then as we know, Institut Teknologi Bandung or ITB, uh, that is good, one of the best five university in Indonesia, uh, and the major of computer is good. We continue. Okay. So the second one there is ITS. Why I choose ITS? Based my own experience in I have been joining competition in ITS. The name is Baronas. That is a robotic competition that was that the location in ITS. So before I been join competition robotic in Pine Flower, yeah, unfortunately my team was lost. I'm with Gifar, but in after I see the ITS that is good for robotic, yeah, except uh, RPL, I was loving in electronical too, making some innovation like such as before in IDN I make like hangbot that is uh, we could say jemuran otomatis. So in ITS we can make a more better robot, and the ITS achievement that is good in national or international. If in national, it has have been be a champion for competition robot fly or aeroplane. So it has always be champion every year. And then it has have a robo soccer that named Ichiro. So Ichiro have been winning competition too in national and international. Lastly, they were join competition Vira in Korea. So they won it. I forget. I think if not second place, third place. That is such a good achievement for uh, for ITS for university. And the robot was made by the student at ITS. Okay. Actually, there is one university again at Singapore, that is UNS. I want to go to there because that is one of the best university at the world, and have been to be the first place on ASEAN, but in Asia. But that's just my one of my uh, university in outside. Actually, I still thinking again if the university in outside, but if I can go to Europe or another continent, that is will be more better. So the first one, there is career. So this is just my uh, just for maybe when I've been uh, have a free time. So I would like to be bug hunter. What is bug hunter? Bug hunter is someone who search for identify security vulnerabilities or weakness in software application or maybe website. So the bug hunter task is for searching bug in some software. So when we have or we found the bug, we can report it to the developers to fix, and we can get some price. If Indonesia, some of company they give the merchandise, official merchandise of the company or money, and there is one people in Indonesia that was very good at this job. That is the name is Ruth Bakar. He was entering the uh, Google's leaderboard for the bug hunter. Okay. Okay, this so the second one is programmer. So this is my second option, not second option, but my job pattern, that is programmer. I'm sorry, the slide still not change. So why I choose programmer? Because I want to continue my journey from the high school in IDN boarding school, that the major that I take, that is FPL. So the specific one of programmer that I want to take is in web development. Maybe I will take it on front end because it's more easier. But that mean not I that mean that I not want to take another specific job in programmer. If there is job maybe application like maybe Flutter or Android Studio or Swift, I would like to take it, but I have to learn it first. Continue. So the last is founder of community. So I've been found a community that named NextGen, to be a founder of IT community for kids. As we know, we have been entering the technological era, so we have to uh, teach our next gen for the IT or for the technology. So for maybe around next period or next 10 years, the technology era more grow up and more better. So this is the community that will focus IT for kids, maybe for 8 until 17 years old. Okay. So the thing that I've prepared, the first for the bug hunter, I've been learning about a little bit of TKG or networking at ID Networkers. So in there, I've been learning about MTCNA, that is MikroTik Certificate Network Associate. So that is a certification from MikroTik that explain about the basic of networking. So I have a basic of network from the ID Networkers, because actually bug hunter it will be more connect from TKG. And then for the programmer, right now I've been learning the Flutter, Flutter application. That is our project in 9th grade right now. So that is what I've prepared for the programmer one. And for the founder of community, for now, right now I've been joining a bootcamp that is founder academy from brother Sidki. He was a student that founding Ayomine. So Ayomine is community that invite kids for not for go to nature and from far away from the electronic device. He was Brother Sidki was Southern University of Theater. He was the first one theater student at Indonesia student at Theater College. That is a business college. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.